disciplined, talented student of grade 12, Miss Alisha Lamishane, to deliver her welcome speech on behalf of the students. Alisha Lamishane from grade 12.
Thank you, sir. 13 वर्षको मेहनतको फल प्राप्त गरी नयाँ जोश जाँगर र उमङ्गका साथ अगाडि बढ्दैछौ तिमी सधैँभरि जागिरहोस् सफल बन्ने भावना एसी ग्रेजुएट्स भाइ बहिनीहरूलाई बधाई तथा शुभकामना Before 1 year, a girl passed her SLC examinations and without being trapped in any sort of dilemmas, she chose GCM for her higher studies. At that time, she was staying on the same place where you people are staying today. But now, being very happy with her decision of making the right choice, she is standing in front of you all and delivering her speech, and that girl is none other than me myself. Hello and namaste to one and all present over here. This is Alisha Lamishane. And a very warm welcome to all the SE graduate students. First of all, let me congratulate each one of you all for passing your iron gate with such remarkable grades and being admitted to this college. Today, you have moved to the next phase of your life. You are marching forward, carrying your dreams of being a successful entrepreneur, banker, CA, and you have made the right decision by choosing GCM for assisting you to achieve your dreams. Yeah, sometimes some of you may feel like GCM is a bit strict, but before the academic session of grade 11 gets started, let me make it clear that each and every action taken by Global is not for maintaining the strict environment. Instead, it is for making the students disciplined. It is for encouraging the students to focus on learning. Because, as stated by APJ Abdul Kalam, learning gives creativity. Creativity leads to thinking. Thinking provides you knowledge, and knowledge is what makes you great. And the ultimate goal of Global is to make its students great personalities in the upcoming days. Personally speaking, I don't want to call Global a college. Instead, I want to call it a family because of such a homely environment it provides to all its students. And I'm not exaggerating. You will feel the same after some days. Here, all the loving and caring staff and the faculties treat us like their own children, own brothers and own sisters. Whenever I leave my home for coming to GCM, I feel like I'm coming to another home from one home. And you will also feel the same within some days. Here, if you have any problems, then we can have a direct contact even with our program coordinator sir and our principal sir as well. But as we know that if there is no rule, there is no improvement. That's why you will have to abide by the rules and regulations of the college. You will need to follow the code of conduct of this college. But it's all for your own welfare. So before leaving, let me tell you something. Always remember that success does not lie in results. Success lies in your efforts. Being the best is not important. Doing the best is all that matters. And always remember that you should have to make the optimum utilization of your time. Whenever you waste 1 hour of your time, you waste 1 hour of your life. And if you feel any sort of difficulties or problems while enhancing yourself during these 2 years, then do not forget that the whole Global family is present here for your support. We will work together as a team. We will move on together as a team. Forget about the juniors and seniors. Just remember that we are Globalians. And we will work together, harder and smarter in order to hold the head of GCM very high. So from today onwards, let all of us make one pledge that we will think the best, we will do the best, and we will be the best. And I'm sure that you people will prove yourself the best through your best efforts. Once again, welcome to Global College of Management. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Very talented Alisha Lamishane, talented and